Hi, today I am going to explain a Vedic maths trick with which we can multiply two two-digit numbers within just a few seconds. This is how we do it. We are taking, for example, 12 multiplied with 34. First we will multiply first digit of the first number with first digit of the second number and second digit of first number with second digit of the second number. Now there are two things to keep in mind in step 1. The product of these two has to be a two-digit number. If it is a one-digit number, we will put a 0 before it, and the product of the first multiplication question will come first and the product of the second one will come after it. So 1 multiplied with 3 is equal to 0, 3, and 2 multiplied with 4 is equal to 0, 8. Step 2. We have to multiply first digit of first number with second digit of second number and second digit of first number with first digit of second number. Now this is also called the umbrella trick because it looks like an umbrella. And we have to add both of the products we get here. 1 multiplied with 4 is equal to 4 plus 2 multiplied with 3 is equal to 6. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Now we have to add them like we do in simple addition. But the thing to keep in mind is that the ones place of the number obtained from step 2 has to be added to the tens place of the number obtained from step 1. I will show you how to do it. 0308 plus 10. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So the final answer is 0408. Now I will show a few examples. 56 multiplied by 47. First we will multiply 5 with 4 and 6 with 7. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20 and 6 multiplied with 7 is equal to 42. Step 2. Now we have to use the umbrella trick here. We have to multiply 5 with 7 and 6 with 4, and we also have to add the two products. 5 multiplied with 7 is equal to 35 plus 6 multiplied with 4 is equal to 24. Now by adding these we will get 59. Now in step 3 we have to add these, but the ones digit of the second number should be added to the tens place of the first number. 2042 plus 59. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. So we will write 13 and carry 1 over. 0 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 and 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. So the final answer is 2632. Now I will give you another example. 89 multiplied with 62. We will multiply 8 with 6 and 9 with 2. 8 multiplied with 6 is equal to 48 and 9 multiplied with 2 is equal to 18. We have got the first number. Now we have to do step 2. We will use the umbrella trick. We have to add 8. We have to multiply 8 with 2 and 9 with 6. And we have to add the two products. 8 multiplied with 2 is equal to 16 plus 9 multiplied with 6 is equal to 30. Sorry, this is not. 9 multiplied with 6 is equal to 54. 16 plus 54 is 70. Now we will add both of these numbers in step 2, and the ones place of the second number should be added to the tens place of the first number. 4, 8, 1, 8 plus 70. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. But this is addition, so we will carry 1 over to 4. And 4 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 5. So the final answer is 5518. Thanks.